My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the adware called EnumeratorConnectivity. EnumeratorConnectivity is the adware specifically attacking Mac devices. EnumeratorConnectivity is a rogue application that our researchers found while researching new samples submissions to the VirusTotal database. We were able to analyze this program and came to the conclusion that it operates as the typical adware. We also found out that EnumeratorConnectivity belongs to the adload adware family. EnumeratorConnectivity is designed to display intrusive advertisements, for instance pop-ups, surveys, banners, coupons, and so on. Advertising-supported software may require certain specifications to be met in order to run intrusive ad campaigns. For instance, adware may not display ads if the browser or system or geolocation are incompatible and if people do not visit particular sites or similar. However, regardless of whether EnumeratorConnectivity delivers advertisement campaigns or not, its presence on the system endangers the device and user safety. Adware-delivered adverts usually endorse untrustworthy or harmful websites and software, online scams, and even malware. If you have noticed this EnumeratorConnectivity as the part of your Mac, go to your applications, find EnumeratorConnectivity, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. I also recommend you to investigate the system additionally with the Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete other threats which could possibly remain on the system. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner through this official website and this download button. Install the software and then begin researching and investigating your system with its help. After you install Combo Cleaner, it will be initially in the trial mode. Click on Start Combo Scan. By the way, I forgot to mention that the program is initially in the trial mode, so only 3 features are free. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection and removal. But even with these 3 free features, it will help you to essentially speed up and optimize the performance of your computer. The scanning might take several minutes depending on how infected your system is. Then, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact location on your system. We strongly advise upgrading to Premium to remove all these threats automatically and have your system always protected in the future. Combo Cleaner will help you very well in this matter.